Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-alaikum. Welcome to my channel. इंस्पेक्टर FIA और असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर FIA के लिए जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs हैं उनकी सीरीज़ स्टार्ट की है, जिसका फ़र्स्ट पार्ट उसमें 100 MCQs में ऑलरेडी आपके साथ शेयर कर चुकी हूँ। ये सेकंड पार्ट है। डेली बेसिस पर आपके साथ 100 MCQs शेयर किए जाते हैं। इनमें जनरल नॉलेज और पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ के पास्ट पेपर में जो MCQs आते रहे हैं वो MCQs मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ ताकि आपकी रिवीजन अच्छी तरह से हो जाए। तो अगर आपने फ़र्स्ट वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो पहले आप वो देख लें, वो 100 MCQs कंप्लीट कर लें, उसके बाद आप ये वीडियो देखिएगा। स्टार्ट करते हैं। वाटर लिली इज़ सिंबल ऑफ कैनेडा। व्हाट इज़ ओबामा's नंबर एज प्रेसिडेंट? 44. Panama Canal connect two oceans, Pacific and Atlantic. Equator passes through Kenya, which is the biggest agency in FOTA, South Waziristan. What was the first living creature to travel in space? A witch. What does term mantra means? A word with spiritual power. Somnam Bulsim means walk in rain. Macroeconomic means a branch of economics that studies changes. Chauvinism means a strong belief that your country is important. Bonanza means a situation where large profits are made. Amicus curiae means a friend of court. Portmanteau means a large box. Non-de-plume means anonymous. Sir Creek Channel is disputed area between Pakistan and India. This is located in Sindh and Indian Gujarat. Banana Republic means government of corrupt elite. Hegemony means supremacy of power. An anarchist is a person who does not like any system. Suo motu means an action indicated by court itself. Opposite of democracy is dictatorship. How many roundtable conferences were held in London between Indian political leaders and the British government? 3. Fiscal year is from 1st July to June 30. People's Republic of China was founded in 1949. The number of federally administered areas in Pakistan is 4. Most of electricity in Pakistan is produced by solar power. Insulin is secreted by pancreas. Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty for environmental problems. Insomnia is related to sleeplessness. The substance used in matchsticks is phosphorus. The atmosphere has the highest percentage of nitrogen. Pakistan recognized People's Republic of China on 21st of May 1951. Tila Jogian is finds mention in the epic love poem Heer Ranja of Waris Shah. Doaba Rachna is located between the river Chenab and river Ravi. The name of delta formed by the Indus River is Sapta Sindhu. The pass which connects Pakistan with China is known as Khunjrab Pass. Immediately before the formation of one unit in West Pakistan, Bahawalpur enjoyed the status of province. Multan is also affectionately known as City of Saints. Which bank gave rupees 80 million loan to the government of Pakistan on the request of Quaid-e-Azam when the Reserve Bank of India failed to deliver Pakistan's share? Habib Bank Limited. The first Chief Minister of Punjab after creation of Pakistan was Nawab Iftikhar Hussain Mahmood. The tune of the national anthem of Pakistan was composed by Ahmed G. Chagla. Hazara division of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province comprises 5 districts including Abbottabad, Battagram, Kohistan, Mansehra and Haripur. 28th May is celebrated each year as Yom-e-Takbir because of which incident? Because nuclear tests were conducted by Pakistan. The first Pakistani to hoist the Pakistani flag at the North and South Pole is Namira Salim. The first climber from Pakistan to have called Mount Everest on May 17, 2000 was Nazir Sabir, who take oath from Governor, Chief Justice of High Court. Another name for vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Gunpowder is mixture. The main constituent of soy gas is methane. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. The most famous genetic disease that is associated with Queen Victoria and circulated among European royalty was hemophilia. Whooping cough is caused by bacteria. Fear of enclosed spaces is known as claustrophobia. When common salt is mixed with ice, the freezing point is lowered. What was the age of Quaid-e-Azam when he joined All India Muslim League? 37 years. Which Prime Minister of Pakistan had the shortest tenure? General Muhammad Ayub Khan. On 11th of August 2011, Pakistan Sat-IR launched from Zhejiang, China. Sir Creek issue between Pakistan and India is related to delimitation of a maritime boundary. Which country's parliament has the largest membership? China. Which of the following international institutions was created through Rome Statute 1st of July 2002? International Criminal Court. M15 is the security intelligence agency of UK. J.K. Rowling famous character Harry Potter is associated with wizardry. Maria Montessori's name is associated with child education. Last Judgment is the famous painting of Michelangelo. What is the effect of deficit financing on economy? Inflation. The world's first woman prime minister of a country was Sirimavo Bandaranaike from Sri Lanka. Which of the following statement is correct? Plato was a disciple of Socrates. The playground for playing baseball is called Diamond. 3 islands in the Persian Gulf, Greater Tumb, Lesser Tumb and Abu Musa are disputed between Iran and United Arab Emirates. The highest average age of male is in Japan. Which of the following is the oldest barrage? Sakhar. Money paid by a government to reduce the cost of producing goods so that their prices cannot kept low, termed as subsidy. Pakistan's largest gas-fired power plant is Uch Power Plant. Hyde Park, London is famous for none of the above. Bala Hisar, the elevated fort, is situated at Peshawar. The most abundant mineral in the human body is Calcium. The world's largest computer software industrial center is Bangalore. Miranshah is the main town of North Waziristan, who is known as the father of modern astronomy. Nicholas Copernicus. Which of the following straits is called the Gate of Tears? Strait of Bab el-Mandeb. Which of the following places is called Land of Thunderbolt? Nepal. The world's largest saltwater lake is Caspian Sea. Dragon is the national symbol of China. Which of the following parts of the human body is affected by the disease of malaria? Spleen. Ornithology is the scientific study of birds. West Indies consists of almost 2000 islands. The Lighthouse of Alexandria is among the 7 wonders of the world, located in Egypt. Red Cross organization was founded by J.H. Durant. The prime meridian passes through Britain. The largest share of revenue receipts of the federal government comes from general sales tax. The first space shuttle launched by United States on 12th of April 1981 was Columbia. Which of the following towns of Balochistan is located nearest to Iran's border? Nushki. The equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn all run through the continent of Africa. Which of the following countries has recently been given observer status in Organization of Islamic Conference? Russia. Which of the following discoveries in 1928 has brought great revolution in medical history? Penicillin. Which country's flag never flies at half-mast? Saudi Arabia. Africa's largest island, Madagascar, is located in Indian Ocean. Which of the following Sufi saints belong to Chishtiya order? Hazrat Fariduddin Ganj Shakkar. Bay of Biscay is situated between France and Spain. Which of the following regions is peninsula? All of the above. That's all about today's video. Till now, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and also press the bell button to get the notification of coming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.